Megan. Megan. Hey, Megan. I really like this. I really like sleepovers.
Shut up.
On school nights, it's so much fun. We should have more study groups, you know? Are you going to sleep now? Alright, I'll be quiet. Sorry. Got a cold. Got a cold. This is the last time, I promise.
Shut the
Kelly, I swear to God. Oh, sorry, it's the last time. Oh, sorry. Wedgie.
Shut up.
Sorry. You have such nice hair.
Don't touch my fucking
Pretty.
hair. Stop.
So pretty. Just an ordinary day. Just trying to get
Kelly, shut the fuck up, I swear to God.
Just a boy, just an ordinary Megan.
Oh my God.
A Megan with reason too.
God. Do you ever shut
God,
up?
Mr. Grouchy Pants.
Kelly, stop. Stop it. Shelly, stop.
Oh my God,
Kelly, oh my God.
Oh my hand.
I don't want to hold your hand.
I had a nightmare.
No.